Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Jewelry shot, of course. This is 4x5 reversal film. It's an analog age. This is my subject today, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges, as always. And I got pretty much nice pencil drawing type image, and also, this is for one of the portfolio work. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna change blend mode to check it out. Okay, now it's multiply, darken, color burn. Pretty nice color burn. It's go real heavy color. Then lighten, shadow gold colors, screens. Overlay gold. It's so shiny gold color. This is real gentle color, shadow colors of the background also. Pretty nice illustration type. Maybe I'm gonna use base image for this luminosity effect layer. Then maybe I add overlay this gold ring color and ruby, and almost rubies colors real nice on this too, but the sapphire and emerald goes kind of darker, so I have to lighten up. No, maybe just use curve or some contrast brightness type stuff to lighten up this sapphire and emerald, since we don't have a hole behind these stones, so don't have that light from the behind. That's why it's so dark. But about ruby, that's pretty light color. I guess reflected colors, that's why it shows red nicely. I'm gonna fix this luminosity effect first. Okay, select two layers and make a group. Now duplicate this group. Then flatten this image. Now it's real shadow color, so I'm gonna duplicate another one. Then change the blend mode to multiply. It's so pretty nice color now. Okay, march down to get this image fixed already. Alright, okay, now this is gonna be the base image, and then just turn it off to keep it now. Then I'm gonna change this blend mode of the pencil drawing type image, change to overlay to get this nice gold color. So I'm gonna fix this image also. Make group, duplicate again, and then flatten this image. Now we got the gold of the rings. Okay, now just turn it off, keep it now, and work on this luminosity effect layer. Pretty nice shadow color, and this gold ruby stones colors real nice. Move this base image to lighten up some sapphire and emerald later. I'm going to change name first. Okay. Rename everything now. Okay. Original and the pencil drawing and overlay effect and luminosity effect. Now luminosity effect goes base image. Then I'm going to make mask on this overlay effect. Make mask. Now invert mask. Then I'm gonna reveal this. Well, I gotta see the base image first. Now, reveal with this sketching to bonobo chalk. Well, it's already nice, isn't it? But I want to change the brush to reveal this. Okay, I'm not gonna reveal everything. I just want to leave this to reveal these stones. This ruby, this red color is so nice. Now I want to see overall image. Okay, now this is the overlay effect. Okay, I'm gonna move this group to top. Then this is new groups effect, right? It's pencil drawing. Blend mode is lighter color. I'm gonna duplicate these layers. Then flatten image. I'm gonna rename this lighter color effect layer. Turn off this group image. Now we got the lighter color effect layer. Then I'm gonna make mask. Mask this layer. It's gonna show this image, which is this overlay effect layer. Has this gold color and a nice ruby colors, right? So now I'm gonna mask here this. Now we see nice gold ring and nice ruby stones color, right? All right. I'm gonna touch up later. All right. Now I want to see other stones like emerald and sapphire. So I'm going to move this original image up, all the way top. Well, just in case, I'm going to make duplicate. Then just one of them, turn off to keep it. Then I'm going to lighten up. Now curves, looking at sapphire and emerald, right? Gamma goes to up all the way. As I said, there's no hole behind these stones, so light doesn't go in. Lighten up these stones, so it's real hard to just only gamma, huh? Otherwise it's gonna change the colors. That's max, I think. Okay, let's see now. I'm gonna make mask. Invert mask. Now change the brush. Airbrushing to maybe medium blend. Okay, I want some texture on the brush, so I'm going to change to, well, sketching to bonobo chalk. Okay, let me clean up here. Okay, I'm going to move original in the group, and I'm going to move this group to go all the way bottom, just for image that I keep. And this is the stones, ruby, emerald and sapphire. And I have this, I just masked the lighter color image. Yeah, this is lighter color. Then I'm gonna make mask to show this overlay effect layer image. And also I have the mask of this luminosity image. Okay, I like the color, shadow color of the background also. So I'm gonna show this base image, which is luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna now from here, how much I'm gonna show this image or how much I'm gonna hide this image. Same time I'm gonna reveal this one too if I want to show though. It's kind of complicated. I have to hide on this lighter color, then reveal this overlay effect layer to show the base image. That's kind of confusing, huh? To show the base image, I want to show touch more. Now I want to touch up some. This is the base image. I like the pastel real shadow colors on background and stuff. So I want to show touch more. Okay, this is the color we have on this luminosity effect layer, base image, overlay effect. We add the gold color, real nice saturated light color. Then lighter color image, blend mode is lighter, lighten up, overall base image surround. So in this case I'm gonna mask some base image to get some base luminosity effect layer image, huh? Yeah. Okay. Just mask it here with bonobo chalk. Well, evolves fine. Okay. Real shadow colors show up. That's nice. Let's see. Open it up. Pencil drawing type image, I want to see this. Then change blend mode to darken. Then tone down, darken. So I'm going to make mask. Then hide with evolve. Yeah, just outlines and surrounding. That's enough for outside outlines. That's all I needed. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Well, this is it. Well, from this base image to this. Well, let's just variation of this image. Let's see, I'm gonna make mask, invert mask, this original image, tone down to about 50%, then reveal this mask. Yeah, this is a variation of this image with without. Okay. Well, that's it. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some creative idea for you guys. And I really appreciate for you guys support, and you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative live. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.